The wheels of Cybertruck shattered in a rather bizarre way, leading to speculation that they may not be as durable as they should be. It's unclear what exactly caused the wheels to snap off like that. What's clear is the extent of the damage. Many of the spokes on the front wheel have broken off and cracks are visible around the central part that connects to the hub. The damage done to the rear wheel is even more extensive, as the entire rim has broken off from the hub, except for some material around the lug nuts. The wheels of the Cybertruck are made from cast aluminium, as they are relatively inexpensive, but inconsistencies in the materials used during the manufacturing process can make them weak. Perhaps one of the reasons why the rims of this Cybertruck failed is because the pickup weighs over 6,600 pounds, which puts extra stress on some components, such as the wheels and tires.